This video of how to use bay leaf water to grow your hair blew up on my channel. People loved it, and those who have used it are already testifying to it. But they were also looking for alternatives that have the same benefit. So I introduced to them the bay leaf oil, and they loved it as well. I'm going to leave the link to these two recipes in the description box, and I'm also going to leave it somewhere on the right corner of your screen. So you can click on it and watch it, then after that you can come back to watch today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use bay leaves to make hair moisturizer or hair growth batter. And using the three together will make your hair flourish. When chemicals damaged my hair and I had to do the big chop, I was struggling to grow my hair. But after discovering natural ingredients, my hair has been growing really fast and is really flourishing. And I'm not greedy, so I spill all the tea to the tea on this channel. And today is one of those videos, so make sure you're not skipping any part of it and you are watching to the end. Let's do this. Hello, beautiful people. Welcome or welcome back. And if you're one of my returning subscribers, you know how we do it here, and you know I appreciate you for that. But if you're new here and you do not know how we do it here, we show a whole lot of love around here. And we do that by giving videos a thumbs up. So please make sure to give this video a thumbs up because it means a lot to me and it is free. And do not forget to subscribe. And when you do subscribe, click on the bell and select all so you do not miss any of my videos. All right, let's get to the recipe. So this is the bay leaves. This is how it looks. Most of the questions I've been asked is, can I use the dry bay leaves? Of course you can use the dry bay leaf, especially for the bay leaf water. But when it comes to the bay leaf batter or hair moisturizer in this video, I would prefer you use the fresh bay leaves. But if for some reason you cannot find the fresh bay leaves, go ahead and use the dry bay leaves. Bay leaves are really great when it comes to natural hair growth. It can serve as a natural conditioner, especially when you use it in the bay leaf water, as my previous video. Using bay leaves on your hair can prevent your hair from falling, from balding, from split ends, or any other hair issues. So if you're someone suffering from hair thinning or any of these hair issues, make sure to incorporate bay leaves either with the bay leaf oil, the bay leaf water, or the bay leaf butter in your hair care regimen. I just love all the great benefits of using bay leaves to grow the hair. But one thing I hate about it is the work that comes with it. I don't know, for some reason, whenever I get my bay leaves, they are so dirty that I have to do the work of plugging it and also washing it. I had to wash this like 3 times to get it clean. And even with that, I still had to go in with a paper towel to clean each and every single leaf just to make sure to get rid of all the dirt on the leaves. So if you do not have time, then you better stay away from bay leaves. But you never know, maybe in your area or in your grocery store, they might already have some clean bay leaves. Other than that, you will have to put in the work to get some clean bay leaves because you do not want any dirt in your recipe. So at this time, I take my time to clean each and every leaf. And guess what? Because we are using it for the bay leaf batter, we do not need any water in it. So when you're preparing your bay leaf oil and your bay leaf batter, make sure your bay leaves are really dried before using it. So after I cleaned every single leaf, I leave it out again to air dry to make sure there is no water in this recipe. Otherwise, your recipe is going to go bad. So at this point, I'm just going to put everything in the blender. My bay leaves, I'm just using my hand to cut them into little pieces. You do not have to do that if you have a strong blender. Just put them in the blender and blend it away like no one's business. And here you are. You know how we do it here. If you're still watching and you haven't given this video a thumbs up, what are you waiting for? Show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these using natural ingredients, you will always be notified. And when you click on the subscription button, click on it again and select all so you do not miss any of my uploads. So at this point, I'm going to add 2 carrier oils. I'm going to add the grapeseed oil as well as the extra virgin olive oil. I love these 2 oils because they are really lightweight and they can easily penetrate into your hair strap and make your hair growth journey an easy one. They're going to help prevent hair breakages, hair loss, and hair fall. They can also treat dry, itchy scalp. But feel free to use any oil that works for your hair. You can use coconut oil, almond oil, or any oil that you feel works great for your hair. So I added about 100 ml of the olive oil and I also added about 80 ml of the grapeseed oil. So at this point, I'm going to put my recipe on the fire and allow it to fry on a very, very low heat for about 5 minutes. I just want the oil to be warm so it can easily absorb all the good nutrients in the bay leaves. And make sure you stay with your recipe and give it a stir every now and then because you don't want to end up with a burnt bay leaf. And you know I care about you a lot and I don't want you to go through all that and start all over again. So make sure you are staying with it. So it's been about 5 minutes and as you can see, my bay leaves are not burnt. It has been absorbed and you can see that the color of the oil has turned to the color of the bay leaves, which is green. I just love how green it is. Green means life, and you see how green that is? This means it has all the nutrients that can help you grow your hair. So whenever you are preparing your bay leaves butter, make sure you're doing it the right way. My next ingredient is my shea butter. You all know shea butter is great when it comes to natural hair growth. It is going to help moisturize your hair and keep it moisturized for a very long time. But you have to know the right way to use shea butter to help boost your hair growth. And this recipe right here is one best way to use it. So at this point, I melted my butter and I added my bay leaf oil. So I added about 2 ml of my melted butter and I added about 100 ml of my bay leaf oil. I'm going to allow the two to sit in a pot of boiling water till everything is melted together. And this is what we have in my shea butter mixed with my bay leaf oil. So at this point, I'm going to allow it to cool down and I'm also going to add some other ingredients to it. I'm going to add my lavender oil. Aside the fragrance that the lavender oil is going to add to this batter, it also has its own benefits to our hair growth. I'm also going to add some vitamin E oil. Vitamin E oil can help prevent hair breakages, hair fall, and also treat your scalp and help you grow new healthy hair. And it has similar properties with the lavender oil. So when you add both to the recipe, it's also going to add some more benefits to your hair growth batter. Because we do not want any water into this recipe, we're going to cover it and I'm going to set it aside in the refrigerator till it becomes solidified. You do not want it to be too hard, just in between. You know what I mean? Halfway liquid, halfway a little hard. So it is out of the refrigerator and this is what we have it now. I think I left it out in the refrigerator for quite longer than I wanted to, but it's okay. We're going to deal with it. I just love the color. We're just going to whip everything together and make sure we get that buttery look. And here you are. If you're still watching this video to this point, it means you're really enjoying it because I really enjoyed filming it. So show your girl some love by giving this video a thumbs up. And if you're new here, do not forget to subscribe and click on the bell so each time I upload DIYs for hair growth like these, you will always be notified. And this is our hair butter looking yummy and it has so many great benefits. It's going to moisturize your hair and prevent it from breaking. Thank you for watching, but before leaving, make sure you click on the video you see on the screen right now to watch many ways that you can even grow your hair much faster. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.